Hi my dear friends, I want to show you my 4-inch mini table saw. Sorry for my English. The main application of this mini table saw is making my wooden puzzles. This is a small part of my puzzles collection. This is a pieces of these puzzles I make on this table saw. First of all, I increase the base, delete these hands, make this metal line here and here, and install again the ribbon hands. After this modernization, table saw stay more stronger. Here I install aluminium corner for this parallel fence. My parallel fence here, and I can fix in any position. What is my aluminium core fence? This is my sliding table. Sliding table have a precision stop block. I want to explain how it works. This is screw with scale. One cycle is 1 millimeter. You can adjust distance in a small size. For example, I need cutting size 60 millimeters with high accuracy. I take probe pieces of wood, install here, and make cut. Then measuring by caliper. You can see need correction 0.2 millimeters. In correction, 1 pieces, 2 pieces. Cut again. Check the size. Okay, 60 millimeters with high accuracy. It's very important for making these pieces of puzzle with high accuracy. The bottom of my sliding table is here. Metal line slide in these pieces. For making any size, I have a set of any pieces. For example, 50 millimeters, 40, 50 millimeters, 10 millimeters. I can use these pieces, install here, and cut here 60 millimeters. I install 40 millimeters. When I cut new pieces, this size will be 20 millimeters. The same system I use for lifting my table of this table saw. For example, for increasing height for 1 millimeters, I can release the screw. Sorry, only one hand is free for me. Then can rotate this line and again can lift on and fix my table. I can adjust height of this table also with high accuracy. I explain you about my modernization of this table saw. If you like it, you can release somebody this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.